For years, the American colonies had struggled against their British overlords. But finally, thanks to a clever spy ring, they had a chance to turn the tide. In 1781, the future of America hung in the balance as General George Washington led a daring campaign against the British forces. This is the story of how a decisive battle changed the course of history and gave birth to a new nation. As we look back to September 1781, we find the British forces under General Cornwallis entrenched in Yorktown, Virginia. Little did they know that their position would soon become a trap. Washington, in a brilliant stroke of strategy, coordinated with French General Rochambeau to encircle the British by land and sea. The Allied forces moved with precision, their plan unfolding like a well-orchestrated symphony of war. The siege began on September 28th, and the roar of cannon fire soon filled the air. Day and night, the bombardment continued, wearing down the British defenses and morale. For the soldiers and civilians trapped inside Yorktown, life became a hellish ordeal. Food ran scarce, disease spread, and the constant barrage of artillery made sleep nearly impossible. In a dramatic turn of events, Cornwallis attempted a desperate nighttime escape across the York River. But nature itself seemed to conspire against the British, as a sudden storm scattered their boats and dashed their hopes of escape. The writing was on the wall. The mighty British Army was about to face a humiliating defeat on American soil. On October 17, 1781, the unthinkable happened. A British drummer boy, accompanied by an officer waving a white flag, appeared on the ramparts of Yorktown. General Cornwallis had finally accepted the inevitable. He was ready to surrender. 2 days later, in a formal ceremony, the British laid down their arms. As the Redcoats marched out to surrender, legend has it that their band played "The World Turned Upside Down." Could there have been a more fitting tune for this pivotal moment in history? The victory at Yorktown effectively ended the American Revolutionary War. For the fledgling United States, Yorktown became a symbol of perseverance, of David triumphing over Goliath. It marked the moment when America truly began its journey as an independent nation, setting the stage for the great democracy we know today. As we stand here today, surrounded by the ghosts of yesterday, we're reminded of the profound impact of the Battle of Yorktown. It wasn't just a military victory. It was the birth cry of a nation. The courage, sacrifice, and vision of those who fought here laid the foundation for the United States of America. Their legacy lives on in every star on our flag, every word of our Constitution, and in the heart of every American who cherishes freedom.